Hello everyone, I'm your host Uttara and today I'm here with Mrs. Archana Mishra, the principal of KPS Sarona, an esteemed institution that has been nurturing students for the past 10 years. Hello ma'am.
Hi, Uttara.
So ma'am, my first question is, as we begin a new academic session, what is your vision for the students here at KPS Sarona?
Uttara, actually, our vision is in this year is to make the compassionate, confident students and lifelong learner. Every child of this school, I want to be confident, and of course, they should excel in academics, but at the same time, they should be creative enough and they should be capable of speaking in front of anyone. That shyness should go away from them.
That is amazing ma'am, because confidence is the key. So ma'am, my next question is, what will be the key priority for the school this year?
See, the key priority this year will be, we'll focus on the areas of strengthening foundational learning and also integrating the technology in their regular curriculum. We actually will focus on their, as I told you earlier in the question also, that we want that they should grow as a confident individual. This is the key feature this year we have thought of.
Okay. Ma'am, how does KPS Sarona ensure an overall development for the students beyond academics?
Yes, very good question. Actually, in the school we have so many extracurricular activities where we ensure that most of the students, not all, but most of the students should participate in different co-curricular activities. And in daily assembly, after every day, there is another class which used to speak up, and also the one subject is given to them, and that on that subject at least 4 or 5 students are participating and they speak up. And then we have special assemblies on in different modes. In special assemblies also there are skit, there are songs, there are dances, there are speeches. So most of the students get the opportunity to come forward.
Ma'am, the education is an evolving scenario these days. How is KPS Sarona adapting to these changes?
See, we embrace the technology and the new methodology of teaching and learning process, and for that the teachers are being trained. Of course, we have time to time we arrange the training for the teachers, because students are growing as far as the technology is concerned, but teachers are the same. So for the teachers' growth, we are providing them continuously training. They are being trained for the new technologies and they have to adopt the technology, for which they are being trained time to time.
Okay, that sounds like a really good strategy, because
Thank
if
you.
the teachers are themselves adapting to the new
Yes,
technologies,
yes,
they'll be able
Uttara.
to teach the students.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So ma'am, my next question is, according to you, what are the skills that students should develop in themselves in order to succeed in the future?
See, the first and foremost skill is the emotional intelligence that they have to create in themselves. They should understand the surrounding, they should understand parents, they should understand teachers, and they should be understanding the emotions of their peer. This is the first thing. And the second thing is they should be a critical thinker. If they are a critical thinker, they will be able to solve any kind of questions of the world and whatever is related to their studies.
So ma'am, my next question I feel is very important to the parents, because many parents are now concerned about balancing academics and the well-being of their kids.
Sure.
So how is KPS Sarona nurturing this?
Yes, very good question, Uttara. Actually, as far as KPS Sarona is concerned, we make sure all the authorities, they make sure that they have to meet the parents as well needed. Though the timings have been fixed to meet the principal, to the additional principal, to the vice principal, but still we try that none of the parents should go without meeting us. If they have certain concern, if they have certain feedback, we listen it carefully. It may be a feedback which we may not like, but we patiently listen to them and try to fix that problem if it is a problem, whether it is related to the school campus or it is related to the child. We try to fix it as soon as possible.
Ma'am, what makes the learning environment at KPS different from that of other schools?
See, this every school is students oriented, but here we in our school the environment is quite nurturing, which is inclusive, child centered, and very there is a very strong relationship between the teacher and the students and the higher authorities. So students are also they are very confident to talk to their teachers if they face any problem. They are we make them we keep the environment in such a manner that they are able to ask the problems and related to their studies as well as related to few teachers they are very close to, so they are able to speak about their personal problems also. And above all, we have a special educator, one special educator for special kids, as well as we have the psychologist also, who is always available in the school till the students are there in the school. So they are free to meet her and they are free to speak to her. As far as the special educator is concerned, the parents, we invite parents, those who are having the special kind of student kids. So they personally meet that special educator and the special educator guide them accordingly. So this way, I think that my school is taking care of kids.
Okay, ma'am, it's good to hear that the school is really striving to create a free and inclusive environment. So, ma'am, I believe the next question is really important and relevant in this time because discipline and values are really lacking. So, how is KPS Arona trying to nurture them and striving to incorporate them in the students?
Parents also to be told to take care of those values. The strong values are actually the base for the improvement or for the nurturing of a child. So here we do take care of in all the whenever students are there together in the assembly ground, the principal or the director or the additional principal or the vice principal and the other teachers, those who want to speak about value system, they obviously they talk about it, and we tell them softly but firmly that these are the value system, they need to follow it, and what are the good impact on their personalities of following the good values. This is the way how we take care of it. As far as discipline is concerned, so obviously teachers are there to make them disciplined. They talk to them firmly that they have to be disciplined, and it should not be needed, but everywhere in every nook and corner we have the CCTV cameras. So with that also we take care of the discipline.
And is there a piece of advice or message that you would like to convey to the students in this new session?
Yes, my advice to the students that they should stay curious and they should be confident. They should inculcate confidence inside them to speak up, because there are many students who are not able to speak up their problems with their parents due to certain maybe constraints. But here in school they have the fellow friends, they have the teachers, so many people are around them, so they should speak up, they should talk to them, because keeping quiet will not help them. Only speaking, only talking, only discussing with either with their peer or with their parents or with their teachers will help them. The doors of the principal is always open for the students and for the parents. They should come up with their grudges, with their positive things, with their negative things, so that we together can solve their problems.
So, ma'am, is there any special planning for the growth and development of the school this year?
Yes, Uttara, very nice question you have asked. Actually, this year, looking to the scenario of students, they, after so much efforts put by the teachers, then also there are few students who are not capable of learning things and they are not capable of doing academics well. So this particular program is named as a Students Improvement Plan, that is SIP, and we have called one trainer from UK. He is Mr. Mark. Now you will ask why UK? Because Mr. Mark has already done this program in so many schools of India, and it is running very successfully. I have visited few schools and I have seen the improvement, and I met the principals also, and I found that that program is working very nicely, which actually includes the starts with the training of the teachers. So that training of the teacher is one-on-one training, and that way the teacher is trained to train one-on-one student. So this is going to, fingers crossed, I understand that this is going to be a boon for the students, for the teachers, and for the school.
This sounds like a really good step towards helping the students.
Yes.
And last but not the least, why should parents consider KPS Sarona for their children's learning?
They should consider KPS Sarona. Why? Because here the kids are being nurtured by the emotional values also. Not only a typecast teaching or learning process goes on, but also year on year analysis also goes on. How the child was earlier in the school, now in the next class, whether there is any improvement in his academics or not, whether there is any improvement in his personality or not, is always being taken care of. Then if the child studies from 1 to 5, then we again go with the whole analysis, which is named as YOY analysis, year on year analysis, not only in the academics but also in their personalities, in their capabilities, and in their confidence. So with this, we take care of each child in the school. If sometimes it happens that one child or few children are left behind, then in that case we always welcome parents to come up and speak to us, so that again, if something has happened by mistake, the child is left out, then they will come up and will speak to us. We invite them with open arms.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
So
you
I
very
think-
much, Uttara.
Thank you, ma'am. And I think it's established that KPS Sarona strives to create a free and inclusive environment and inculcate good values in the students. So, if anybody is interested, definitely parents can choose KPS Sarona for their children's journey. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.